Hi all, welcome to my channel Nursing World. Today I am discussing regarding Corona MCQs. Hope all nations will overcome this global pandemic very soon. Now we can move on to the question answer session. First question is country first affected with COVID-19. The options are A. India, B. China and C. Japan. The answer is China. It was on December 2019 in Wuhan city. Second question is first case of COVID-19 in India was reported in option A Tamil Nadu, option B Karnataka and option C Kerala. Answer is Kerala. It was on 30th January 2020 in Thrissur district and it was for a medical student from Wuhan University. Third question, Corona word meaning is options are A. Crown, B. Envelope and C. Spine. Answer is crown. Word corona came from Latin word which means crown. Fourth question, first death due to COVID-19 in India was reported in options A. Kerala, B. Andhra Pradesh and C. Karnataka. Answer is Karnataka and it's in Kalaburgi district of Karnataka. Fifth question is WHO officially declared coronavirus disease as COVID-19 on options are A. 12th February 2020, B. 21st February 2020 and C. 25th February 2020. Answer is 12th February 2020. Next question, WHO declared COVID-19 as global pandemic on options A. 11th March 2020, B. 9th April 2020 and C. 11th April 2020. Answer is on 11th March 2020. Seventh question, incubation period of COVID-19 is option A 10 to 20 days, option B 2 to 14 days and option C 5 to 25 days. Answer is 2 to 14 days. Eighth question is happy hypoxia is seen in A. lung cancer, B. COVID-19 and C. tuberculosis. Answer is COVID-19. Normally, if a patient's blood oxygen level decreases, patient will be developing shortness of breath and other symptoms. But in COVID-19, despite the low blood oxygen level, some patients do not show any symptoms and may be doing all their activities as normal. So it is called happy hypoxia or silent hypoxia. Ninth question is full form of PPE is options are A. perfect protective equipment, B. personal protective equipment and C. positive protective equipment. Answer is personal protective equipment, that is PPE. 10th question is aggregation of cases of a disease is called as A. sporadic, B. cluster and C. spreader. Answer is cluster. 11th question is RT-PCR, that is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction in COVID-19 detects A. active infection, B. past infection and C. recurrent infection. Answer is active infection. RT-PCR testing detects whether the infection is present at the time of testing or not. That is, present infection is detected in RT-PCR. 12th question is antibody testing in COVID-19 detects option A. active infection, B. Recurrent infection, and C. Past infection. Answer is past infection. That is, antibody testing in COVID-19 detects whether the infection was present in the body or not. It does not indicate the present infection state. 13th question is, campaign launched by the Kerala government to combat with COVID-19 is. Answer is Break the Chain campaign. Answer is Break the Chain campaign. 14th question, hand washing time for COVID-19 should be at least A. 10 seconds, B. 20 seconds, and C. 30 seconds. Answer is 20 seconds. That is, we should wash our hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. 15th question is, social distancing in COVID-19 should be at least A. 6 feet, B. 10 feet, and C. 16 feet. Answer is 6 feet. 16th question is, objects or materials which are likely to carry infections are called as. Options A. Agent, B. Host, and C. Formite. Answer is formite. The examples of formites includes utensils, dress, furniture, etc. The question is, initial process to determine if a person has disease is called. Options A. Assessment, B. Screening, C. Identification. Answer is screening. 18th question is, alcohol-based hand sanitizer used in COVID-19 should contain at least dash percentage of alcohol. Options are A. 50%, B. 60%, and C. 70%. Answer is 60%. 19th question is, first country to officially register corona vaccine is. A. Russia, B. USA, and C. India. Answer is Russia. 20th question is, name of the Russia's corona vaccine is A. Sputnik V, B. Sputnik 1, and C. Sputnik R. Answer is Sputnik V. 21st question is, 3 C's to be avoided in COVID-19 as per WHO are A. Crowded places, B. Close contact settings, C. Confined and enclosed spaces, and D. All. Answer is all. That is, we should avoid crowded places, close contact settings, confined and enclosed spaces to avoid COVID-19. 22nd question is, app developed by Government of India for contact tracing in COVID-19 is A. Arogya Setu, B. Arogya Mitra, and C. Arogya Bhagya. Answer is Arogya Setu app. 23rd question is, Arogya Setu app was launched on. Options A. 2nd April 2020, Option B. 22nd April 2020, Option C. 29th April 2020. Answer is 2nd April 2020. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you.